to the Random Show. My name is Stilltina, and this is Still Spot, my pal. Say, Spot, where you going? I'm gonna run on the hamster wheel. Spot, that probably isn't a good idea because you probably could get hurt. Whee! Ouch. Okay, no more hamster wheel. Come on, Spot. There you go. Alright. Today, we are going to talk about random things. Like peanut butter and, potatoes and socks. Spot, where are you going? Spot, don't you dare play that guitar. Class. No! Stop it! Sorry, I have a cough. Let's go on ahead and talk about random things. So, Spot, is there anything you would like to say? I like cookies. I like cookies. I like cookies. What's going on? Oh, why is that camera turning? Okay, Spot. Well, wait. Whoa! Hey! Oh, that was incredibly random. Don't you agree, Spot? Earthquake! Spot, you are in it. Oh no, not the guitar again! No! Oh, the camera. Don't start playing the guitar! No! No! Ah! Pop the camera! Yeah, that's better. Don't you agree, Spot? Nice and quiet and peaceful, hey? Ah! What's with the wagon? I got it from a yard sale. Yeah? I'm gonna eat it. No more random things on the Random Show. Ooh, that is a big pile. Uh-oh. No! Not another guitar! And 3! And 4! Where's the 4? Wait, there's only 3 right now. Oh no, let me give you a see. I think for the 4th one! Woo! Drums? Ooh, I like the drums. Owie, that hurt. I hurt my fingers. I got a better guitar now, it's louder. Uh-oh. Turn it up a little louder. Uh-oh. Hold it. Please hold it.